Here's a speedrun of the Arkology tax calculator. This is the electricity taxes right here. You fill out your electricity taxes in this green. It calculates it here, puts it right here. This is for a factory if you're running machinery. This is calculating your sin taxes. You fill out the green, shows it right here, puts it right here. Next up is the landlord. You fill out your landlord square foot right here, calculates it right here, puts it right here. Next up is your child taxes right here. Number of children, you fill in the number. So 2 children, 90, put it right here. Puts the child taxes here. The charity taxes are automatically calculated based on your other tax rates, and it subtracts. Your net tax is $45. Your UBI payment is $165 because the sin tax is paid on site. It's paid as you buy it. So here is the variables for the child tax, some UBI administration right here. Oh, this is your age. You select your age right here, 360. So if you're 35 years old, it's 360, 40, blah, blah, blah. This is the variables for the electricity taxes. You can feel free to change them and adjust them however you'd like. This is the budget right here. You have your electricity tax budget, sin tax budget, child tax budget, landlord tax budget. The landlord tax estimate is right here for the budget. You can play with those numbers if you disagree with those numbers or the logic behind them. This is your total UBI expenditure, total taxes in. You subtract them. UBI is a percentage of your tax, 92%. This is your administration costs right here. Child tax costs, like I said earlier. This is the pie chart for the budget. This is the input numbers for the budget. And then here is your sunlight taxes and 3 different charity taxes. So I believe it's using the bottom one right now. I think it's using the bottom one. This, everything else is just extra crap from mathematics videos, and you can feel free to look at them or ignore it. It's up to you. Anyway, that concludes the speed run of the Arkology tax calculator. The file will be in the video description. And remember, a single dream is more powerful than 1,000 realities.